Hey, what's going on? My name is Shanif and I'm the founder of Locusive. And if you're anything like me, you've got a whole bunch of Google Drive documents all over the place and you can never find what you need when you need it. Now, if this sounds like you, this video could be helpful. I mentioned that I've started a company called Locusive. And what we do is we build software that makes it easy for you to connect your business data to tools like ChatGPT or other AI systems. And one of the tools that we've built so far is a chatbot that makes it easy for you to connect your Google documents to a bot that you can use to find what you need. The first thing that it lets you do is it lets you find documents across all of your Google Drive folders that you've connected to the bot. So if you've got thousands or even hundreds of documents and you have trouble finding what you need, you can just quickly type something like find and then the keyword or the phrase, and the bot will go through and find the most relevant documents for you, give it back to you within a couple of seconds. So now you don't have to search through all of your information and all of your documents anymore just to get a quick answer. And actually, that's the second thing that the bot does is it can answer questions for you based on the content that you've already got in Google Drive. So maybe you've got a whole bunch of really interesting pieces of information or product documentation or FAQs or whatever it is in a Google document, but you can't find it right away. Well, the bot will let you ask a quick question, and it will get an answer by searching across all of the documents that you've hooked up to it. And it uses ChatGPT to find the most relevant pieces of context from your documents and use that to provide an answer that comes straight from your existing documentation. And it also provides a link back to the document that had the answer so you can go through and search for what needed if you need more information. This allows you to get around the problem of having ChatGPT make stuff up or just have a hallucination in cases where you might need an answer and it just doesn't know it. And then the third thing that it's really good for is if your team is already using Slack. Now, it is a chatbot on your Slack workspace. So the idea is that if you're already using Slack, it makes it a lot easier for you to go through and find what you need without having to switch to another application or lose your focus or your context, so that you can keep working on what you're working on without having to go down a rabbit hole when you're trying to find a piece of information. And because it's in Slack, it makes it really easy for your team to collaborate by using the chatbot in a public channel or by direct messaging it with a couple of folks who have access to the bot. You can actually share the answer among everybody else who's in your channel so that you and your teammates can go through and find the information you need all in one place. Now, if this sounds like something that could be interesting for you, the chatbot's actually free to use right now. All you have to do is click the link below or just head over to locusive.com and you'll be able to get access to a free account. Once you sign up, just add your Google Drive folders, add the Slack bot to your workspace, and you can start searching right away. If you have any problems or questions, or if you want to learn more, feel free to reach out. I'm Shanif at locusive.com. You can always contact us at locusive.com/contact. But our hope is that this makes it really easy for you to find what you need so you can spend less time searching and more time getting stuff done. All right, well, thanks a lot. I hope to see you soon. Feel free to reach out and happy search. Have a good one.